Welcome back to Enoven Foods. Today we are making a flavorful Desi style chicken fry that's crispy, spicy and packed with aroma. Let's start the recipe. Start with 1 kg chicken with bones. Using bone-in chickens adds extra flavor and juiciness. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix well and marinate for 30 minutes. Marinate chicken for at least 30 minutes for best flavor. For the aromatic masala, take 1 teaspoon coriander seed, half teaspoon cumin, 2 dry red chili, 2 cardamom, 3 cloves, 3 black peppercorns, 1 small bay leaf and 1 small cinnamon stick. Roast on low heat for 30 seconds. Roasting whole spices enhances the aroma of the dish. Let it cool and blend coarsely. Now heat 1/4 cup oil in a pan. Add half cup onion. And fry until golden and crispy. Keep aside. In the same pan, place the marinated chicken and fry on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes, flipping both sides until golden brown color. Fry onions until golden for added crunch. Now add the fried onions and 3 tablespoons beaten curd. Mix well. Beaten curd tenderize the chicken while cooking. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Cover while cooking after adding curd to keep the chicken moist. Now add the blended masala mixture. Bone-in chicken provides additional minerals like calcium. Half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix well. Kashmiri red chili powder gives color without too much heat. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. And garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Chicken is a rich source of protein. Spices improve digestion and add antioxidants. Using curd reduces the need for extra oil. Serve hot and enjoy the rich flavor. This Desi style chicken fry is crispy, spicy and perfect for any meal. Try it at home and share your experience. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Enoven recipes.